Hello YouTube! Today is the 20th of July 2019, and on this day, 50 years ago, mankind first set foot on the surface of the moon. To celebrate this momentous achievement, some of the team here at Manchester have told us what Apollo means to them.
So without the Apollo missions, I definitely wouldn't be doing what I'm doing today. So a lot of what I do here at Manchester is modelling different volcanic processes, taking terrestrial models and seeing what we can do with those on the moon. And without all of the samples and information that the Apollo missions collected, I'd be waving my hands in the dark, basically.
So the Apollo missions to me are fantastic. They kind of symbolise the kind of forefront of science, and the image of humans on the moon is one which I've always sort of thought of as been a driver for thinking about doing science, being interested in science. And obviously it produced some amazing samples to study and a precedent for ongoing science activities in the solar system.
Well, it's really important for exploration, and it's always been like a source of inspiration, even though it's 25 years before I was born when Apollo 11 landed. It's still important today because it's still providing us with samples that we research every single day.
I wasn't born for any of the Apollo missions, but it must have been absolutely fantastic to watch them on TV. So we do some analysis of the xenon isotopes in Apollo samples to learn more about the history and evolution of the moon.
I find it fascinating that a mission that was 50 years ago is still inspiring so many people, and I now currently work on Martian data sets, but I still seek the information from lunar databases to understand information we get from Martian databases. So their mission was integral for starting the future of other missions to other planets as well.
Apollo means to me an enduring scientific legacy. We have the samples that were collected by the astronauts that are continuing to give us new information about the moon's geological history and its place in the wider solar system. We also have the science experiments that operate on the surface that continue to run after the Apollo astronauts have returned back to Earth. Most importantly though, I guess it represents the coming together of many people to achieve one purpose, a scientific goal and an ambition. And as we look forward to the next step in lunar exploration, hopefully our return to the moon will mark an international collaborative effort for exploration and science for first the moon and then on to other planets in our solar system.